สวัสดีค่ะ
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go for a walk down Patong Beach Road, see what's going on a Saturday night in February 2024. Welcome to the channel everyone. It's the first time you've been here. Thanks for coming along on this walk. See if we can get through here this weekend. And we'll go for a little walk, see what we can find down Patong Beach Road in Phuket, Thailand. Tuk-tuks everywhere, people everywhere, it's all going off, Oop, turn in there. Tell me in the comments guys if you've ever been to Thailand, if you've ever been to Patong, let me know, love to hear it. I've been here about 13, 14 times now I think it is, or is it 12 times I think maybe. Yeah, I think it's 12. I lose count. I come every year, sometimes twice a year, just depends. Love the joint, it's absolutely brilliant.
Yes, I love it!
Absolutely brilliant. Such a good place to come to, man, to just relax on the beach, beautiful weather, a couple of cans, or even have a big nights out, mate. Great times here, man. Thailand's just so chilled. Such a good place. Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to the channel, as I said earlier. Hope you enjoy this walk along Patong Beach Road. What do we got up here? Not much at the moment. The restaurants here on the side, people eating ice creams. It's all happening. Not. Alright, we'll get past this quiet part just here. This thing here has been under construction, I reckon, for at least 2 years, man. I don't know what the hell it's going to be. It's probably going to be another hotel, I'm guessing. Oh, I can smell the weed, that's for sure. Woo-wee. Oh, look at that corn getting grilled on the cob. None on there though.
I don't mind.
Some pomegranate and mango juice, delicious.
Delicious.
Nice and fresh. Cool tuk-tuks all lit up. Delta. So, cool joint, little bar there.
You want with no arms? Large.
With the doof-doof going from the tuk-tuks. They pump the music out of those subwoofers, mate. It's like you're down Lygon Street in Melbourne on a friggin' Friday night. Absolutely pumps that music. It's good though. Good fun. Oh, you got the ice cream shop here. They look nice, don't they? Mr. Whippy. Delicious. Starbucks, Bud and Bloom. Got it all. Oh, there goes some fireworks. That was one anyway. Got any more? Oh, no more. False alarm. Usually you hear about 20 of them. This girl is a really good artist. I've seen her before. She's brilliant. Seen her on YouTube on numerous occasions. She does a really good job. Didn't know the sun was still out though, but anyway. I wear my sunglasses at night.
Hey,
I don't get it. I do not get it. Oop.
Hi boss, big bite burger.
No, thank you. Outside the 7-Eleven. Ooh, look at that yummy food. Yum. Nice and fresh. Mango smoothies as well. Delicious. Sweaty up. Oops, sorry. A bit of a quiet area here. 10 seconds it'll be busy as hell again, I bet. Yep, people walking down the street everywhere now.
I'm pretty sure I still have one.
Now guys, I have to tell you this. If you want a brilliant Thai restaurant that's traditional, great service, and the food is absolutely insane, you must go here. It's called Sabai Sabai. It's closed now, I think. It's just after the Napoli pizza joint, just up here. On the right, about 20 metres down, it's called Sabai Sabai. Best restaurant you'll eat in Phuket, mate. Brilliant food, absolutely brilliant food. Do yourself as a favour, I'm telling you right now. All right, let's continue. It's just past Macca's, just before Macca's on the left. If you ever go there. Don't know the name of the site, but it's the one just before Macca's. You'll see it. A few people at Macca's, all Westerners as per usual. Molly's Tavern. Eaten there once last time. I can't remember what it was like. I think it was okay. Western food. Mostly, I think. Western prices as well. Let's get past this car. Yep, the horn works. People having a nice relaxing evening outside the Mojito Bar. Cool little chairs you can sit on. Nice. Steakhouse Pizza, the place, is it? There's the Thai boxing. Tonight.
Monday night, tomorrow night.
Stand in the middle. It's all good. Don't worry about that. Why are people so... Ugh. If you're going to stop, that's fine, but move to the side, mate, so other people can walk past. Bloody hell. Oh, I've had my pitch for the day. Sorry, guys. Back to it now. There's a few people down here. Quite a few. do they cook in here? Fruit smoothies, more corn. What they're doing there, like traditional ice cream as per usual. That's always a good thing. Pancakes, they're yum. Right, that's enough of that. Hello, Sweaty Cup.
Hello.
Hello, Sweaty Cup. Right, where are we now? Just coming up to Ban Lamai Hotel. I stayed here about 2 years ago, just after COVID. It was cheap then to stay because COVID had just finished and they wanted people to come. It's actually pretty good. I'll tell you what the price is now. Oh, highway robbery. I think the cheapest room was about $400 and that was for the cheapest room. A night. No thanks. No thanks. Ban Lamai. People just chilling there, quiet drink after dinner, enjoying themselves, having a good time. Beautiful. Jesus. Guts up there, guys. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little walk down Beach Road in Patong. If you like the video, stick around and keep watching for more because I release them every week. If you liked what you saw, hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, hit the like button, leave a comment. It'd be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.